Yeah, welcome guys to the new session from me, to the new IQ option session and the new strategy for IQ option and pocket option, the Super K Sniper version 1. Super K Sniper version 1. We see here how I trade now, one trade with the Super Sniper, and yes, I show you after the trade how is the entry from the strategy. The entry is super easy. Okay, I'm in the trade. Yeah, it's a 5 minute strategy, and it's very simple to understand, but very powerful in binary option trading. This strategy is the holy grail, 100%, I swear. You know, I make one video on the weekend on Saturday, and I was show you the strategy, and now we trade here in this video the powerful Super K Sniper version 1 strategy. This strategy is really awesome. You can make money so fast with this binary option strategy. It's really awesome. I'm here in the British pound versus Australian dollar, and I say the trade is a put trade. The strategy tell us is a put trade, and yeah, let us take a look. We have some time left for our strategy, and the strategy, guys, is awesome. You can make so much money with binary options and IQ option, the provider where you can make the money with the strategy, IQ option, and this Super K Sniper version 1. Really awesome strategy. I make this week every day a video with this strategy, and after this week is finished, you can get the strategy when you are a IQ option trader and you signed up with our link, or you can buy it in our shop when you don't like to sign up for IQ option. And yeah, I swear guys, this is really the holy grail for binary option trading in 2020. The Super K Sniper version 1 is a burnout. It's a burnout. Yeah, we have now the trade British pound versus Australian dollar, and yeah, 300 in the moment, 375 profit. We have a profit, and yeah, we let it run, and okay, now we a little bit outside, now we inside the win. We let it run guys, and we have some minutes left. You see, no problem. 1620 is finished. 1620. So enjoy the trade guys. After the trade is finished, I tell you how you go in the trade with this strategy. So come on boy, give us the money, It's a very simple to understand to get in the trade. After the trade is finished, I show you how you go in the trade. Yeah. So we have 30 seconds left. And yeah, we are in the moment, we are in the moment. 10 seconds left guys, 10 seconds left, and I get $375. So bling bling, we are in plus $375. So guys, let me explain how this strategy works. You put it in your MetaTrader 4, and the time frame in the MetaTrader is 1 minute. So when you have it in MetaTrader 4, you go to IQ option and put your your favorite charts here, you can see. And always on IQ option you must trade the Super Kai Sniper version 1 5 minutes. In MetaTrader 4 you have 1 minute, but on IQ option you have to trade round about 5 minutes with this strategy. So how you get in the trade with the strategy? You must wait for the circle you see here, the shining circle. So I wait always for the shining circle. We have here shining circles and normal circles. I wait for the shining circles, we see here, and when the shining circle is bling bling shining, then the only what we must do, don't go in the trade only with the shining circle. You have to wait for the confirmation bar here. When the confirmation bar, in this case for me, must come red, when the red confirmation bar is shining, so you can go in the trade. That's all. You have to wait for the circle, the shining circle, and yeah, wait for the confirmation bar. And it's all. You can take a look for the video what I have made on the weekend with the OTC charts. Also we have the OTC charts for the MetaTrader 4 and can trade on the weekend with this strategy. With the Super Kai Sniper version 1 we can trade OTC on the weekend. Take a look on my last video and you will see it. Yes, that is it. This was Super Kai Sniper version 1. I will do in this week some videos, and after this week is finished you can get it when you for free when you are signed up with our link on IQ option or on Pocket option. And when you don't like to sign up, you can go to our shop, and in our shop you can buy it. Simple, but you get free, really free, when you sign up over our link on IQ option. We see here, I put the link for IQ option in the description under the video, and take a look this week on my videos, on my English videos. I show you the strategy in some videos this week. After this week finish, when you are an IQ option trader under us, you get it for free per email. Yeah, all links and email in the description under the video below. So guys, this was a really nice video, really nice trade. We see us in the next video tomorrow. And yeah, we see here also one trade, interesting one trade we see here. I must wait for the confirmation bar for Euro Canadian dollar. Euro Canadian dollar. Euro Canadian dollar. So now I wait here also for the confirmation bar. We know 5 minutes. 5 minutes we have to wait. So we have 5, 3, 8. Okay, I make 29. Okay, I take also this trade. I take this trade. Now we have here our circle, shining circle. We see shining circle. Now we have to wait for the confirmation bar here. And when the confirmation bar shine red, we are go in the trade. So a little break until the red bar is shining, and then I'm come again live. So guys, I think in the next candle we can go in the trade, in the next candle, and we get our confirmation bar here, the red confirmation bar. No, we don't get it. We don't get it. So think about it. We only go in the trade when we have the red confirmation bar, and we don't get it now, but maybe in the next candle. So a little break until I get the confirmation bar and I'm back. So guys, the confirmation bar was shining. We see it here. Confirmation bar is shining here. And we are in the trade. We are in the trade, guys. For 5 minutes, we are a 5-minute trade. and yeah, we will take a look how the trade will end, and I make a little break, and before the trade will end I come back again. So guys, you see we are in a huge range of winning. We have really now in the moment a huge range what we are in the winning, and you see we get, when we stay in the win, $460 back with this monster strategy. The Super K Sniper version 1 is really an awesome strategy. I tell you, take a look on my last video from the weekend. I also was trading for IQ option with the OTC chart and the Super K Sniper version 1. Yeah, guys, really happy with these 2 trades today, and yeah, we wait that the trade come to an end. We have left 1 minute 30 seconds, and yeah, I'm back when we still to the end. So guys, 9 seconds left and we still in the win. 5 seconds left. Whew, wow. Yeah, and we get it, we shoot it guys, we shoot it, we still in the win. And yeah, I will tell you, happy trading. We see us in the next video. All links in the description under the video below. 2 nice trades with the sniper strategy. And also one thing, you know, when you need really 100% sniper signals, the trend is your friend. Go with the trend. You know, now in the last trade I don't was go with the trend, but when you need 100% trades, the trend is your friend. Only go with the trend. So we see us. Have a nice day. Happy trading.